14 Key milestones of 5-month-old baby. Your baby is 5 months old already, and it still feels like the day one, right? 5 months is a fantastic milestone, and your little one is growing rapidly. From playful giggles to rolling around and reaching for everything in sight, your little one is becoming more curious and interactive with each passing day. Let's take a look at all the amazing things you can expect this month. What are 5-month-old babies' developmental milestones? 1. Your baby now has better hand control. They reach out for objects, grab them, and may even try holding their feeding bottle. 2. When held upright, your baby will place weight on both legs. They might even lock their knees and bounce gently. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such baby development related videos. Please continue watching. 3. Around this age, your baby will likely roll from back to tummy and vice versa. 4. Your baby may be able to sit with support and get closer to sitting independently. 5. Distance vision improves, and your baby can now see and distinguish between shades of the color. 6. Stronger muscles let your baby push their chest up using elbows during tummy time. They also use a raking motion to pull objects closer. 7. At this stage, your baby may start recognizing and responding to the word no. 8. Your baby is now curious about how things work. They may shake or rattle again after hearing its sound or bang it to see what happens. 9. Your baby is captivated by new toys, sights, and sounds. This stage brings increased curiosity and shorter attention spans. 10. Most 5-month-old babies begin sleeping longer stretches at night, helping them get more rest. 11. Your baby starts responding to your emotional tone. A gentle voice calms them, while a loud one may cause distress. 12. At 5 months, babies love interacting. They smile, giggle, and love playing with caregivers. 13. Your baby may respond to their name by turning toward it. They also babble in response to your voice, as if having a conversation. 14. Your baby uses their voice to express joy and displeasure, squeals when happy, and fusses when frustrated. Every baby develops at their own pace. Celebrate progress, be patient, and reach out to your pediatrician if you have concerns.